Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a video review on most of the LE guns. I don't have all of them, but I think I have most of them. And anyway, so my first gun is Reaper, and Reaper is like pretty good at like close range combat. I actually really like this. I think it's if you get good at it, I actually like it better than Groza M, but I really like Groza M too. I think it's one of the best guns for assault. And yeah, this is good. It's really fast, so you can like jump and then like kill people easily, and I'm good at that. Enforcer, I don't really like it, but I have it because this doesn't have good range. Yeah, range 75 meters. That's not really good in RC2. So that's why I have Enforcer, because Enforcer has pretty good range and you can pick people off. Panzer is like one of the most annoying weapons, but I have it because it's good. And yeah, that's my assault class. Here's my sniper class. And I have Cobra, probably the best sniper in the game, because it can shoot multiple weapons, but you can't move or else it's really bad accuracy. Dual Uzi. If you play RC2, everyone knows that Dual Uzi is OP and is like super awesome. And yeah, it's really good. Knife, just a knife. Um, Alright, here's my. I'll use this for Santa House because Santa has a small map and then you get really easy XP. Dual Uzi, really good mobility. So I don't really use it. It's a really good bad primary weapon for killing people, but the mobility is amazing. Cantana, the best weapon in the game, but except Banhammer, but you can't get Banhammer. Only mods can get that. So yeah, it's one of the best weapons best knife. Cool. I don't know why I put that there. Yeah. AK. I don't know. I just put it here for some reason. Anyway, here's my demolition. So Panzerfaust, really accurate. Demolition, a lot of damage. So basically, unless it's a really heavy tank, it's one shot KO for tanks, and yeah. So one of the tanks is 1,500, so it takes two shots, but that's okay. If close range combat here, and yeah, really close range combat. So here is the rest of the guns. Here's first a Snowball Cannon. This is probably the most bad weapon. It sucks horribly. It has no splash damage. It's just shooting snowballs, and it's really hard. Um, I kept it because it's pretty cool. I actually like the animations of it, and it's actually okay. So I got that. Saw, I don't really use this that much. It kind of kills pretty slowly. It has a lot of ammo, so it's good for people if you like, um, if you don't aim very well and need a lot of ammo, then I think Saw Specka is pretty good for you. Stinger, it's one of those heat-seeking missiles. It's pretty good. M202 has a 4 ammo, so it's one of the demolition. Panzerfaust and M202, I keep switching. I actually like both of them pretty a lot. But 800 damage, so it takes 2 damage for all tanks. This is 1 damage for one tank, and all the other tanks is 1 time you get to shoot it. Golden Dragon, if you're not using Cobra, I use Golden Dragon for sniping. I like it for yeah, it's one of the good. I don't like it because I'm not really good sniper. So if you're good at sniper, I think you should get the because one shot KO and then Cobra's 2. And for Spec Op, I really, it's okay. I really don't like it because, I don't know. It's just, it kind of kills slow. Crossbow, oh, this gun's, I like the animations of it. It looks pretty cool, but it sucks for if you want to kill some. MD3, um, it's actually a really good gun. I mean, it takes, if you have 200 coins saved up, you can get, 150 coins saved up, you can get it. And then if you don't want to spend any money on it, I think MG3 is actually really good. Oh, that's just minigun. Oh yeah, minigun winter. Once you turn level 33, you can like change the colors of it. And yeah. M82 Predator, this one. Um, hmm. Actually, I don't get why people get M82 Predator. I think Golden Dragon is a lot better. It's 100% accuracy, 12 more, more range, more zoom. I don't get it. If you're looking for style, I think you should get Golden Dragon. Read it too, the same concept, but the stats are a little bit lower. Viper, this one, I don't use it that much. It's not that good. It's basically a Groza M, but with a scope on it. Like not a Groza M, just a regular Groza, and I really don't like the Groza. And this is a Groza M with a scope, and it moves around too much. The recoil is like 75, so it moves way too much. And here's a Groza M. This is most people's favorite weapon for assault because it kills pretty fast. But if you're not like extremely pro, and then it runs out of ammo super quick. So you have if you aim wrong and you lose your ammo, you're practically dead. So it's one of those pro weapons. But if you get used to it and get good at it, it's one of the best weapons in the game. Sega 12, this is actually a really good gun in my opinion. It's one of those automatic shotguns, which is like it's really good because you can pick people off easily. It's not a long range weapon, obviously, but it's good for like Santa House Keys, some of those small maps. Painkiller is basically MG3 but gold and with the little scope. I don't really use it, but yeah. It's colorful. AK Gold. This is a pretty good weapon. 448 damage, so it's 2-shot KO. And it's good because it doesn't run out of ammo as fast as the Groza M, and it's actually pretty good. I actually like. I used to use it a lot, but I actually like what's that? Raper. I actually like Raper better. Grizzly. When it came out, I thought people say it was actually pretty good, so I got it. But I'm actually pretty disappointed. First of all, the scope, it's like, why? I don't get why it's bent. It doesn't help me at all. I'm not used to it. It looks pretty funky. I don't really like it. And yeah, other than that, it's a decent weapon. You shouldn't get it anyway. Next, Mobster. Mobster, you can't get it. I don't. Yeah, it's one of those weapons it's really rare to get it back, but it's probably the most fastest killing. It's like a basically a minigun, but assault weapon type ish. But the scope is like really weird. I don't. The reason why I don't. If the scope was like a red dot scope, I would use it, but the scope is just really bad, and then you can't see the people when you shoot it, so I don't like it. And Groza, it moves around too much. Groza's a lot better. Master Blaster, just a shotgun. I kind of use it if I'm just bored or something and keep in a Santa house or something. So, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So, thank you for listening to my video and see ya.